I'll break this song up into different sections. So the first one being the intro and the chorus, then we'll do the verse, and then we'll do the pre-chorus. And I'll play regular speed and then slow speed so you guys can see the chords, which will be on the screen. And then I'll also put those in the description box below. So here we go with the intro slash chorus chords, regular speed. Okay, I'm going to slow it down. You guys can see the chords there. And this one might be a little bit difficult. If you want to, you can just play the 6th string here and the 1st string here. That's really all you need. Okay. And then that last part is this. Okay. We'll do regular speed one more time. Verse is like this. Speed it up a little bit since it's kind of slow. Repeat. Okay. Slow it down. So you play it twice. And go here. Or you can make it a major 7. And here. So one more time, verse is. Okay, then we'll go into the pre-chorus. I like to kind of slide into it like this. Back into the chorus there. So the pre-chorus. And then we know these. So you just do it twice. You can almost just hammer on right here. Finished off with a diminished chord. So one more time, regular speed. Thanks, guys.